2026 AMG SL 63, the hidden tech inside Mercedes Halo Roadster. What if I told you the most advanced piece of technology in this Mercedes isn't the engine? It's a suspension system that can read the road before you even hit the bump. The 2026 AMG SL 63 looks like a classic Roadster, but underneath that sculpted body is some of the most sophisticated engineering Mercedes has ever put on sale. Stick around, because by the end of this video you'll understand why this car isn't just fast, it's smart.
Back mid-scroll, I'ma get an arcade.
The SL63 packs a handcrafted AMG 4.0-liter biturbo V8 producing 577 horsepower and 590 lbs to its core, sending power to all four wheels through Mercedes-AMG's Performance 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive system.
Cosplay cowgirls, numberless
Power
child.
flows through a 9-speed AMG SPEEDSHIFT MCT
Feeling
transmission,
just
and the whole
fine, I'm
package is
running
tuned through AMG DYNAMIC SELECT drive modes that change everything from throttle
Welcome
response to
to the
suspension
wild,
stiffness at the touch of a button. Now here's where the hidden tech really comes in.
I don't know
The
why.
SL63 rides on AMG Active Ride Control,
I don't want the hustle and the tussle. I don't mind the grind.
corners while still soaking
I don't mind pretending we don't see these signs.
rear-axle steering that turns up to 2.5 degrees. And you get a
I don't mind the hustle and the tussle. I don't mind the grind.
two things that are normally impossible to have
You
in
and
the
me
same car.
dancing on the getting time.
The cabin is built around a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and an 11.9-inch center touchscreen that can electrically tilt between 12 and 32 degrees, which sounds like a small detail until you realize it's specifically designed to cut down glare when you're
Walking
driving with the top down in bright
walking
American sunshine.
wild.
The MBUX infotainment system runs on artificial intelligence, responds to natural voice commands with "Hey Mercedes," and adds AMG-specific displays that show
Radio
turbo boost pressure,
plays
G-forces,
Sesame
and lap times if you take the car to a track. Comfort hasn't been
Oh,
forgotten.
running down
The
numbers that
AMG
used to
Sport
be
seats are
dreams.
heated, ventilated, and even massaging, wrapped in Napa leather
Walking
with a choice of 6
wild,
manufacturer
walking
upholstery
wild.
components. And in a nod to practicality,
And I don't
this
know
generation of
why.
the SL brought back a 2+2 seating layout for the first
I don't
time
mind the
since
hustle and the tussle.
the rear
I don't
seats
mind the
are
grind.
for small children or extra luggage.
I don't
It's a
mind
functional
pretending we
upgrade
don't see
SL
these
models can offer.
signs.
The power soft top itself is a piece of engineering.
I don't mind the hustle and the tussle. I don't mind the grind.
In about 15 seconds at speeds up
You
to
and me
37
dancing
miles
on a
per hour.
giddy
Of course,
time.
all this technology comes at a price. The 2026
I don't mind the hustle and the tussle. I don't mind the grind.
$87,850
Don't mind pretending we don't see these signs. I don't mind the hustle and the tussle. I don't mind the grind. You and me dancing on a giddy time.
The SL's blend of daily comfort and hidden engineering is
You
what
and
sets it
me
apart from the
dancing
pack.
on a giddy
So that's the
time.
2026 AMG SL 63, a roadster that hides some seriously clever engineering behind a classic silhouette. If you enjoyed learning what makes this car tick, drop a like, subscribe for more deep dives like this one, and let me know in the comments which feature surprised you the most.